Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can change your email and Facebook application. Friends, please don't forget to put likes under the video, write your comments, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. And first, of course, you will need to open the Facebook application and then go to the menu section. Then in the top menu on the right-hand side, click on the gear. And that will take you to the Facebook settings. Here you will be able to see this big window at the top. This is the Meta Account Center. Click on it to open it. Next, when you get to the Meta Account Center, select an option like Personal Information. Here you will need to select the very first option. This is Contact Information. And this is where you'll be able to find all of the contact information that's assigned to this Meta account you have and your Facebook. As you can see, I have multiple emails here as well as a phone number. You can have just one email, or like me, you can have multiple emails, or you can have multiple numbers. It's different for everyone. And in order to change emails, for example, I recommend that you always add a new email first, and then delete the old emails. In order to add new ones, you need to click Add New Contact at the bottom and select Add Email here. Next, friends, you will be taken to a page like this. Here, first of all, you will need to enter your new email in this window. And then, friends, check your Facebook page. And at the bottom, click Next. This way, you will assign your new email to your Facebook page automatically. Next, to delete your old emails, for example, click on it. Select Delete Email. Confirm your action. And that way you'll delete the old email and you'll be left with only the new email. That's how, friends, you will be able to change your email and Facebook app quickly and easily. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and that it was useful to you. Please put your likes under the video, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.